Hello fellow stays, it is Morgan. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are continuing our SKZful days in Jeju. We are watching episode number 4 in this series, which is episode 23 of SKZ Code. So we finished off watching barbecue and karaoke night, and they were playing games outside. So I think there's a continuation of that this week, and then we also have some fishing and some napping and cooking, and it all looks very cute and wholesome, so I'm very excited for this episode. If you are watching here on YouTube, be sure to check me out over on Patreon if you would like early access to any of these episodes, also more reoccurring releases of SKZ Code and a whole bunch of other exclusive series specifically on Patreon that are not ever going to debut on YouTube, probably because they'd get taken down, including Kingdom Legendary War, 2 Kids Show, 2 Kids Room. I'm going to be putting up SKZ Family with Mallory very soon. If it's not already up already, you can go and check, as well as getting to vote every month on a poll as to what video I'm going to watch that month for you all. So would love to have you over on Patreon. If not, thank you so much for your support here. Be sure to subscribe if you want to get notified for any future SKZ Code episodes, and of course all of the other it's all Stray Kids reactions that I do on this channel. I'm going to be having a lot of Hop comeback content coming out. It's a little belated, but that should be out about right now. I cover all the comebacks, music videos, compilations, just everything Stray Kids, because we love Stray Kids on this channel. So anyways though, without further ado, let's get into this episode. And I think I'm going to do something radical today. I think I'm going to react from this side of the screen. Weird. Whatever, we're fucking rolling with it. Okay, let's go. Okay. What?
369인데
369. It's a game.
124 오케이. 숫자 124가 들어가면
I'm so confused by so many of their games. Like, they look fun.
124 3 5 6
What is happening?
9
I don't know, but Seungmin's face is hilarious. There's some complicated math going on. If anyone could explain these games to me. I don't want to pause and try and figure it out myself right now, but 3. Oh, it's a subtraction. Hold on, let's see if we can figure it out. Okay.
124 오케이. 숫자 124가 들어가면 작게. 오케이.
Clap it has 1, 2, 4 in it.
124 할게요. 준비 시작. 124 3
Because sum is 0. Okay. Or, no, sum. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know Korean. Okay. Sum is 3. Minus a clap. Minus 5. I don't know what's happening.
6
Someone, if you can explain it simply, cool. If not, it's fine. We're just gonna laugh at the facial expressions. Oh, he started at 369, or the number, and it's going down. Oh, 2 digits. Okay, I think I kind of get how it's played. That's really intensive to like think on the spot like that. Lino, here we go.
가시 가자 가시.
Thorn.
자 여러분 막곡이니까 다 같이 해야 돼요.
It's your punishment though.
그래 나. 그래요? 제목부터가 참 천년의
Love over 1,000 years. Todd is on something and I love it. It's his Fanta. It's pretty deep for Lino. Shot of Jeju and cola. The emotion.
뭐냐?
My heart is fluttering. Ian is just like cringe. To the tambourine. So dizzy. With the circulation. Ooh. Seungmin just waving puppy M. Hold on, do I need to wave Leebit around? Dang, impressive. Falling in love.
야, 마지막을 아주 기깔나게 장식했어요.
Seungmin is just like, yes, everything that I wanted.
근데 그 진짜 잘 불러. 와.
Such a good singer.
난 이미 답 나왔어. 나도. 오늘 MVP 이미 답 나왔어. 나도 이미 나왔어 방금. MVP.
나도 나왔어.
일리노래 MVP로
Yeah.
뽑겠다. 손 들어주세요. 그래 이름을 뽑아.
Consensus. That encore immediately stage banners.
역시. 아 좋다 좋다.
아싸, 뭐 줘요?
Do I get something?
야이 퍼핀이도 안 쓰겠다.
Oh,
재밌겠다.
fishing rod.
우와.
Soulless. Only Lino seems to be having fun. That's all that matters. You're not biting. 3 people to go fishing tomorrow. Oh.
둘째 날 일정. 직접 잡은 생선으로 아침 먹기.
Oh, eat breakfast with fish you catch for yourself. That sounds like a whole lot of work.
낚시 간다는 소리잖아요.
낚시 안 해.
Boycotted with a smile. Nah.
나를 위해서 이거 어떻게 올라가요? 나 진짜 깜짝 놀랐다 진짜.
자, 여러분들의 때문에를 한 번씩
The
들어보고.
slow reeling.
사랑의 끼부터. 사랑의 끼. 오케이.
오케이.
사랑의 끼 때.
The very ending.
이게 잘 알았어. 자, 승민이.
Wow. I don't think I've ever heard Seungmin out of key before.
올라가네.
한이건 너무 많이 봤는데. 빨리 보여주세요.
사랑했기 때문에.
너무 좋아. 너 가자.
Let's have you go. The betrayal.
자,
빨리 가.
잠깐만. 근데 내가 이거를 보자 했던 건 노래를 보자 그런 게 아니고.
Of course he picked Han for
뭐가
fishing
붙어야
trip.
되는데.
이 노형을 사랑했기 때문에.
오케이, 야, 가자 너. 너 가자.
우리 클레오파트라 진 사람 마지막으로
Play
하면
Cleopatra.
그래. 자,
I think I've seen clips of this before.
나도 참가할게.
오케이.
Fairness is cool.
너 먼저.
안녕 클레오파트라 세상에서 제일 가는 포테이토 칩.
안녕 클레오파트라 세상에서 제일 가는 포테이토 칩.
Potato chip?
안녕 클레오파트라
Dang, he jumped.
제일 가는 포테이토 칩. 이렇게 해야 돼요.
I didn't realize that's what they're saying. The best potato chip in the world. You can go high. Okay, Felix. High notes while covering his face. Half a note higher. All right, Seungmin. His face is so red. Falsetto for over. Holy shit. my god. The poor fucking sound engineer, audio mixer, whoever is on this production. I hope that they set the gain very low in order to be able to capture that. Like, I'm sure they're used to SKZ being loud, but damn, to get those high notes. Oh, Seungmin's gonna go for it. Okay, bring it. Let's go. That's fucking impressive, you guys. And I know this is a game, but damn. They saw. He's like, no. He's like, fuck it, I'm going fishing. That's a lot. I like how none of them even fucking hesitated. Just one right after the other. And now that's gonna be stuck in my head. Going fishing. They look so happy. Hyunjin looks disgusted. Oh, the roommates. Chan doesn't get to keep his room? Oh, hold on. The colored stickers. Okay. Oh, predetermined. Wait, someone literally has to sleep in the living room? Oh, it looks like it's a pull-out couch. Okay. It's like, damn, that's not fair. Oh, that's pretty sneaky.
Hey, Seungmin.
Hey, Seungmin. That's hilarious. Chan and Seungmin. Oh, Chan is so excited. He was Hyunjin's lover.
Hey, my baby.
The aggressive yelling.
Hey, Changbin.
The mimicking.
와, 목 다 나갔다.
The voice is gone. Only one bed. Leaves.
현진아. 우리 노란색 맞지?
되게 곤란한데? 에이, 지금 너랑 나랑 한 침대 자야 되는 거야?
Of course they're being sneaky. Just fucking get it. Where's everyone else? The couple scammer.
여기 훨씬 파란 팀 누구냐?
파란 팀이
Felix is like, eh.
샤워했냐? 해야지.
The pink room? Question mark. It's like, okay. You know, and Chan snacks.
Oh! Cinder, we sleep together!
I'm gonna sleep at first floor.
We sleep together,
He's so excited, you guys. Chan is fucking adorable. He's so excited to get to hang out with Seungmin.
Together!
We sleep together. His fucking Australian accent, I can't.
I'm gonna sleep at first floor.
He's like, no.
야 이거 녹화 되고 있는 거야?
Did he predict the future? Witness production. Felix. Can only use the audio since Han turned off the camera. Oh, okay. Didn't want the fucking record of it. Oh, whoops. When the camera's back off. Everything's fine.
너 핑크색. 오. 어두웠어 갈색을 보였구나. 바보야.
Dummy. Oh. God, just look at him. I can't. Wait, no. What a funny guy.
야 수가 이거 쓰면 되는 거지. 아 맞아? 아 여기 수가 있어.
He needs a lot of care. I can't look into the moment they go to sleep. That's a cool place though. Oh my god. Lino!
안녕하십니까.
Why is he so cute? First thing in the morning. He looks like a cat. I don't know how to explain that, but he does.
안녕하십니까.
오늘 정말 아침부터
Oh, sorry, this is the end of the day.
보냈습니다.
Oh, I bet Kitty's disappointed. Hold on, someone's
안녕하십니까.
voice is really deep.
오늘 정말 아침부터 바쁜 하루를 보냈습니다.
Not falling for it.
재밌었고
The couple scammer back to their room. They would be such a chaotic couple. Oh my god.
뭔가 이렇게 다 같이 또 이렇게 노니까 신나게 놀았네.
맞아. 이거 저번에 우리 찾았을 때도 나랑 같은 방 아니었냐? 역시
어쩔 수 없다니까.
Fate.
일단 너무 피곤한데
Felix and I on the first floor. They're so cute.
피곤한 만큼 또 오늘 하루 종일 너무 재밌게 놀아가지고 뭐 하는 게인지 모르겠는데 여기 아저씨.
Is that a fridge?
그거 아니야? 그
Technology. What is that? I was wondering what that was. It's a styler. Oh, is it steam your clothes?
스타일러?
Styler.
Hang your clothes.
Hang your clothes.
제주살이 모습을 보시면 스테이들도 굉장히 좋아할 거고 이번에 운전하는 모습도 아마 처음 봤을 테니
It was hot.
오 쟤네한테도 저런 모습이 있군 오 하세요.
수미까지
Wait, who is with Lino?
보이구나. 야 이렇게 하는데도 너가 나와.
이 순간만 기다려. 사실 아까 그 한이랑 현진이가 방 색깔 바꿨을 때 조금 너무 행복했었거든요. 아 승민 같이 잘 수 있다는 그 생각은. 야 왜 이렇게
It's like how I am with my cat. That's what this relationship is right now.
싫어해? 이번에 이제 올 수 있다는 그 일정을 듣고 너무너무 이제 행복했었거든요. 그래서 이번 진짜 재밌게 잘 즐기면서 와야 되겠다. 그래서 바람도 많이 쐬고 바다도 가고 엄청 좋았는데 빵 냄새가 난다 했어. 너 거야? 너 거 똑같은 거야?
이제 저희는 바로 기절할 수 있을 것 같아요. 내일 낚시를 가야 돼가지고.
Oh, what time that?
Good night, Jeju. Good night,
Good
Stray
night.
Kids. Good night, Stay.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Hold on. Does he have freckles on his face? I just imagine that.
Good night, Stray Kids. Good night, Stay. Good night.
It almost looks like he has light freckles. I can't tell.
No.
No. Okay, first day over. Screening SKZ. What time is it? Fateful morning. A youth with a determined expression on a fishing boat. Hyunjin.
여기 있습니다.
Fish for the family.
그래. 들어서 자는 거보다 이런 거 경험도 언제 해보겠냐. 그래. 나는 어제 자진했다고.
Better than sleeping? I don't know, but it would be a cool experience. Optimistic youths.
바다 낚시다.
And just like, is that supposed to be making that
왜
noise?
이렇게 잘 보이냐 바닥이? 와 근데 진짜 맑다.
It's a cool boat.
이 정도면 진짜
big.
맑은 거야 근데. 와 이러다 그냥 깨꼬닥 떨어지는 거 아니냐? 넌 진짜 그럼 코어 운동해야 돼. 코어랑 뭔 상관이야? 너 임마 코어를 잘 잡고
Then you can balance on a boat.
아무리 흔들려도 안 넘어져. 너 코어 운동해? 아니.
No.
와우. 미쳤잖아.
This cameraman's having to get real close to the edge. Camera woman,
너 코어 운동해? 아니.
camera person.
와우. 미쳤잖아.
Seungmin, 21 years old, leaves a memory of the picture of Seoul
그래
youths.
얘들아 막 열심히 찍고 나도 보내줘.
My friends always. Nobody in my friend group or family ever even takes photos anymore. Because they just know I'm going to take photos of everything. Do, 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 do. It's like all the staff have to now run out of the way.
이크.
Oh, worried the cameraman doesn't have core strength like himself. I don't know why, like, not that I didn't think Seungmin was caring, but between this episode and last episode, like, he's just like concern and care for everyone else in these little small moments is adorable to me. It's new news, to be honest.
제가 이쪽에 있습니다.
He's telling me where he's going. I could do this little vlog all day.
야, 멀미가 나는구나. 어우, 야.
Oh,
내 멀미.
oh, that sucks.
얼마? 옥돔 잡고 싶다. 옥돔 잡아. 못 잡아. 없을 걸?
What's a tilefish? What's a tilefish? Hold on. Tilefishes, iridescent blue-green marine fish with yellow and gold spots, white bellies, and rosy heads. wonder if, I'm assuming they taste a specific way if that's what he wants to eat. Low in sodium. Good source of protein. Fish has a mild sweet flavor similar to lobster or crab. I don't eat fish, but cool. Okay. I don't really know my fish.
자, 슬슬 낚시 시작해 보겠습니다. 자, 낚시 때문에 설명해드렸습니다. 요거는
We're still
수가
relatively
닿았을 때
close to
두 바퀴
land. Okay.
또 잡아. 못 잡아. 없을걸? 나 물고기 잘 몰라.
Kind
슬슬 낚시
explanation from the
시작해보겠습니다.
captain. When your bait hits, roll it
낚시
2
때문에
times like
설명해드렸습니다.
this
요거는
if you're already getting
수가 닿았을
bites.
때 두 바퀴 정도만 이렇게 있어. 버스 입질로잖아요. 어? 예, 아까 입질 왔죠? 툭툭 거리죠? 이거 누르지 마시고
와우.
감기만 하시면 됩니다.
나 잡았. 오 진짜네. 우와.
It's so cute.
넌 뭐니?
뭐예요 저거?
저거는 저희도 말로 어랭이.
Greenling.
애기예요?
아 어른이죠 걔는.
It's an adult.
그래요? 얘 애기 같이 생겼네. 이거. 너 느껴지니
Yeah. Little shrimps.
나는 미끼도 크니까 큰 놈이 오겠지?
How big are? I guess towelfish. They looked kind of big.
야, 한 마리만 올라와라.
I mean, I was watching Finding SKZ God Edition over on Patreon where they did the fishing indoors. That was crazy, the amount of fish that they were catching.
맛있는 거 먹자. 밥 먹자.
I was very surprised.
야, 많이 잡히네.
자기 쪽으로 이렇게.
오.
와 지치.
Filefish.
야,
Wait, is a filefish different from a tilefish?
지치 닮았다. 너구나.
Hold on. No shit, they're very different. This is a filefish, if anyone's wondering.
야, 지치
Wow.
닮았다. 너구나, 지치가. 야, 지치
그만 갖고. 네, 알겠습니다.
야,
Look at his skills.
야, 엄청 크다, 생선.
That is a big fish.
우와.
Wow.
야. 오,
I'm just like, eh.
오, 야, 너.
He's a fat boy.
아 이거
지치는 뭘로 먹어요, 형님?
지치는 회.
Seungmin, are just
제일
thinking about
유명한 게
cooking.
지치 조림이죠.
손맛이 어떠냐? 재밌네, 낚시.
Matt.
뭔가 왔는데. 으아.
Probably not feeling too good, but fishing is fun.
천천히.
우와, 이거 뭐야 이거?
우와, 지치다.
Ah, filefish.
쭉 그렇죠.
Alright, guess there's lots of
맛있겠다.
filefish there.
한 번씩만 더 잡아.
미끼 끼는 게 좀 어려운 것 같아요.
얘들아,
Come
맛있다 이거.
on.
우리 좀.
우리?
크리 새우요.
Entice them,
오케이,
Han.
낚시는 기다림의 미학이라 그랬어.
So funny. Oh, who are puffed up as well. Why do we have to call that out though? Like that's not a bad. I know it's a Korean culture thing,
그랬어.
but they still look gorgeous. Okay. Morning bread. Little morning haze. I could fuck with some morning ukulele though.
야 모닝 커피 마실 사람.
Coffee.
아 커피 안 마셔.
Yeah, same Felix.
잤어?
아니 네가 팔베개 안 해줘서 잠 못 잤어.
Oh, he's with Seungmin.
그래?
I like Seungmin's hairstyle today. Took my blankets. My roommates are fighting already.
열심히 놀고 있습니다. 이번 하나 물자. 얘들아 먹어.
He's like, I'm good, okay.
야, 나 언제부턴가 먹고 도망간다. 어? 야, 뭐야?
Yay!
야,
Now.
드디어.
Oh, change locations, quietly reeling in. What is that? That's pretty.
뭐야 이거?
이거 뭐예요?
Sea bream?
나 오늘 참도 참.
야, 도물 잡았네? 너 대단하다.
Is that
이게 제일
a special fish?
야, 그거
Oh,
참도 잡았습니다 여기 오늘.
wow.
아, 대상 보여줘야지 오늘 참도.
That's a pretty fish.
입에 딱 걸렸네 바늘이.
방생
Good
이거
catch.
이거 가져가면 안 돼.
No.
제가 던져요?
잘 가라.
Bite, eat.
야,
Bring your friends. At least I got to return it.
얘 죽었다 다.
I'm dead now.
자 이현아 이걸 씻어줘.
Ugh.
키친 타월 없냐?
키친 사람 찾아.
Find the paper towels in this picture.
형 내가
Right there.
뭐야?
푸시업.
Eh.
이거 끝날 때까지 쉬지 말고
poor
푸시업
Felix.
없어. 없어?
없는 것 같은데? 잠깐만.
난 됐어.
They're right there.
키친 사람 없어.
The drone.
아 진짜 아침 우리 제정신 아닌가 봐.
All out of it.
자,
찌개에 들어가는 건 큼지막하게 썰어야 돼. 인정?
인정.
응?
아니 못 날아.
Oh.
왜?
이 지금 산이어서 더 높이 못 올라.
There's lots of
산이라서 못 올라.
Yeah, there's actually a lot of restrictions for flying drones. From what I know, my friend got one of my roommates when I was living with her, and she was looking into it and doing all the research. Like, there's so many permits, there's so many places you can't film, like how high up you can go, like all this crazy stuff.
산이 높잖아.
그래서 걔도 고소공포증 있다는 거지 들어갔어.
잡았어요 또 친구?
아니요, 저 새우만 먹고 도망쳤어요, 애들.
Running away with the bait.
나도 이제 애들 좀 현명해졌나 봐.
I guess the fisher's martyr.
도망가네. 와, 둘 다 먹었네.
Dang.
이미 다 먹었나? 고기들이 이제 다 알고 도망간 거.
Scared them all.
다 먹은 거 같다. 뭔가 없다. 입질이. 정확하게 꼬리만 남겨놓고 먹고 도망간 거 봐라. 어? 오, 야. 안녕?
Finally a
What
fish. I like her. She's like, hi.
가만히 있어. 와, 이제 한지성. 그때 얘
Scary to touch him. This one feels nice.
지금 못 잡은 지 꽤 됐어요.
어허.
Hyunjin looks exhausted and not having a good time.
잡았는지 안
Doesn't
잡았는지
feel sick
모르겠어.
still.
오, 두 마리.
야, 한 번에 두 마리 잡았어.
이야, 선수야. 1타 2피.
That's pretty nice.
주세요.
안녕, 주치.
오.
Dang, that
Hi.
one's big. Hi.
카메라.
Hi to camera.
너도 진짜 예민한 것 같아요. 오, 저 새우 잡았어요.
Got shrimp.
놀래요. 미끼 바늘에 제가 걸렸는데요. 아, 나 걸렸어. 나 잡혔어. 나 커피 이거
Lino cooking. Lino cooking.
괜찮아 보이는 거. 나 커피 한번 마셔볼래.
보라색.
Do you want some coffee?
이거 뭐 맛이야?
I'll do that every once in a while and instantly regret it.
알겠지? 아니. 야, 여기 설탕 있나? 없어.
No sugar.
물.
No sugar. Why would you do that to yourself? I'll have that sometimes for Mallory. She's a huge coffee drinker. She'll be like, oh, here, do you want to try this? Like, it's actually really good. It's actually really sweet. You can barely taste the coffee. And I try it, and I'm like, what is this swill dirt water? I can't. If I have coffee, it has to be drowned in sugar, so I don't really think that's a good thing. Caffeine baby Felix.
절대 안 마셔.
His mission of drinking coffee is a fail.
잠은 못 잤나 봐요. 야,
Artistic sense is shining.
너무 졸리다. 에이. 저기 소파에 누워.
He's like, I'm gonna go back to sleep again.
형은 지금 매운
It's kind of a vibe, though. The coughing ad libs.
다음 가서 뭘 해야 할지 몰라요.
This is a vibe.
커피 맛이 좋다.
Heard that somewhere.
커피 정말 좋다.
제가 저걸 어디서 들어봤죠?
커피 맛이 좋아. 커피 맛이 좋아.
How can they make anything sound good?
피곤해 정말 제정신 아닌 것 같아.
Just love his voice. Looks like a diary entry.
왜 그래?
내 커피를 마셨는데 어우 너무 써.
That's funny. I'm gonna have
고기 뭐 먹고 싶어? 얘기해.
instead.
두 마리 줄게. 자, 수고.
Oh, that's nice.
태실.
한번 더. 감사합니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 너무 좋은 경험하고.
Even just like Seungmin just like tidying up and like closing the doors too, like when he leaves after or on the boat when the captain like gave him all that stuff. He's like just making sure everything's tidy. He's so considerate. Starved members are waiting the fishing team. Only music can fill me up. I wonder how early they all had to get up to go fishing. Handfuls of fish. Stumble.
잠깐만. 이게 나 멋이요?
Hyunjin's just like, okay, I'm done.
생선을 잡았어. 너무 재밌어. 아, 진짜 재밌어. 근데 내려오니까 육지 멀미가.
No.
육지에서 멀미가 나?
아, 육지 멀미 말고 바다 멀미가.
bustling after the fisher's return. Watcher 1, Watcher 2. You can't help me with this.
가가미를 따고 피를 빼고.
Ew. Of YouTube and Chan.
Can you grab me a spare plate?
I love it when the two Aussies just speak in English to one another. It's so special.
Great waist.
Great waist.
가운데 뼈를 제거해 주세요. 뼈. 진짜 리얼리티네. 나 이런 거 한 번도 안 해봤단 말이야.
Squid team. The fishers are passed the fuck out. That looks so comfy though. I'm not gonna lie.
진짜 리얼리티네. 나 이런 거 한 번도 안 해봤단 말이야. 처음이야.
Like that. Sleep is best for seasickness. Yeah, that sucks. But whatever that fucking machine is, that massage chair, I want to be cuddled like that. Oh, Seungmin's so cute. Let's see Seungmin's face. He's so tired. To see Seungmin. Guys. An eye for an eye, a tickle for a tickle. They're so precious. Yeah, just Hyunjin passed the fuck out. Yeah.
이 친구도 정말 어쩌다 나 같은 거에 처음.
Here's the thing though, out of all this, I would definitely rather do the fishing and then come home and nap while everyone else cooks. But that's also
희생양이 돼가지고. 근데 이거 생각보다 재밌는 걸?
I'm waking up to ash and dust.
Yes, some Imagine Dragons.
I'm breathing in the chemicals.
Wow.
Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome
That looks like a tough fish to cut.
간다. 좋다.
It's kind of pretty
칼날이
though.
맞아. 아래로 보는 것처럼.
He's looking
좋아.
downwards.
오, 좋아.
Just, they're all half awake still.
방금
Wow.
깔끔했다.
깔끔한데? 그래.
The knife looks a little dull though. Oh, that looks so
Yeah.
pretty.
아,
He's so good at cooking. It's a restaurant with Lino as the head chef, okay?
내가 정성스럽게 썰고 싶은데 집중력이 다 하기 전에 빨리 썰어야겠어.
Immaculate. Dang. End of the long breakfast. Ah, it's already over. God dang it. Eating Pocky.
갑자기 그 삐삐삐 1시간 뒤 지구.
Brunch with the sea.
경복이 제일 너무해.
잠은 잘 잤나?
재밌겠다.
Whoa, go-karting.
여기로 가는 거 맞아요?
Wait, I've seen that meme of Han before. I didn't know it was from this. Sunset dinner. Wait, was Seungmin wearing a sweater with gooses on it? Geese on it? I don't know what those are. Just kidding. Sunset dinner.
이거 미쳐버리겠네.
나한테
Give me a
윙크 한
wink.
번만 해줘.
Yay, cuteness. Okay, that was adorable. I'm thoroughly enjoying, like, don't get me wrong, I love the game show type role-playing SKZ codes, but there's just something about the wholesome vacation, chill slice of life vibes that I just really fuck with. I think it was 10, 11, 12. I don't know what episodes those were called. Again, it wasn't exactly camping, but where they were all out like on vacation together, basically. Those are my favorites so far. And I think these are a runner-up. It just gives me like inner calm and peace. I'm really loving it, and I'm excited for the last episode. So be sure to stay tuned for that one. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.